in the both components. So you lift up the camera, and as you can see, there are 4 golden buttons there. So let these 4 pins you see sit on the 4 golden buttons there. So you stick it underneath like that and align it to the screw holes. There we go. And there you will know that it's actually lined up properly, and then let the camera fall flush on it. So now you can put the camera screws in and screw them down. The camera screws go there. And then you screw it down. Okay. Now you know that everything is lined up properly once the screw goes in without any problems. There we go. Screw it down. And then hold the camera down. And then you put the shield on top like this and align it to the screw holes, which should be pretty easy. Okay, so I'll put the first screw in. So we're left with 3 screws. So first screw is in now for the metal shield or plate. Then this one will start as well. Okay, so I've got with another what is it called, screw here. There's the last screw that I have to put in, and it's all done. So now, sorry for the shaking of the camera, I'm going to put the screen back in place. There we go. I hope this time it doesn't mess me up like when I was testing the screen, because this wastes my time too much. There we go. Goes in properly and easily. There you go. These are some of the. Okay, now let's see. The second shield, second connector is in now, which is good. And then now I will wedge the screen a bit with a can here, so I can put the camera into place. Camera connector. The camera connector is back in. Okay, so it's all good. Now I'm going to connect the battery. There we go. That is in as well. And then I'm going to put it on before I start putting my shields on. There we go. Stand on. I am going to put the first metal plate or shield on. Okay, that's gone. And then this one in. Ooh. This shield has how many screws? Has 4. It's gone in. That's done. Like I said, they are of different lengths and sizes, so make sure you put the right length in the right hole. Otherwise, you know what happens. There we go. That's done. I'm left with the, let's see, home button is working. That's fine. Okay, I'm quite happy about that. But let me just put back this shield first, the camera shield, and I'll still wedge it with this bottle here, the can here, so I can have 2 free hands to work on that, because it's a bit difficult with this, especially when the magnets aren't working. I hit this when it gets to this side. I'd like to see if I can magnetize this screw with the magnet on the, oh no, it's not working. Let's see. Still not working. These screws are naughty. So what I'm going to do is I'll put the screw on top of the shield and try and manipulate it till it falls into the hole. See how stressful. Oh, it's working here. Strange enough. Okay, tighten it. Thank God. Okay, it's working here too, so that actually will help a lot. Otherwise that would take me ages. This naughty screw doesn't want to. Be picked up. Okay. All right. So now it's time to manipulate it in there. There we go. Falls into place. And then it's in there. God. That is done. Right, guys. Let's put back the screen. Make sure you put the top of the screen in first, so that the latches on there will hook properly, and then you start pressing the screen all along so it sits in the housing properly without any issues. There we go. Job done nicely. Okay, I'm going to make a call to see how the speakers are working and stuff. It's keypad. This is Virgin, so let's take this. 150. No, sorry, 150. Yeah, it's working.
About TV.
Brilliant. Okay, And then let's check the camera. If the camera is okay to go, then happy days, job is done. Okay, as you can see, camera is good. And then front camera is also good. Fantastic, all is working. So now home button is working as well. So job done, good to go. So what I'm going to do is to put back the last 2 screws that will hold the screen into place. So viewers, thank you for watching, and if this video has helped you in any way, please don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up, a like, that's a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and also click on the bell icon so that you can get any new you can get a notification if we put a new video out there. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and put your comments below. Anything, we will answer you speedily without hesitation. Thank you very much. Out.